Hello and welcome to Curiosity, where we explore fascinating topics from history, science, culture and more. Today we are going to talk about a huge mystery that lies hidden behind the moon. A massive blob of metal that scientists have discovered underneath the largest crater in the solar system. The crater is called the South Pole-Aitken basin, and it spans about 2,000 kilometers across the moon's far side. It was formed billions of years ago, when a giant asteroid or comet slammed into the lunar surface, leaving a deep scar that can still be seen today. But what's even more intriguing is what lies beneath the crater. Using data from NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter and Gravity Recovery and Interior Laboratory missions, researchers have found that there is something very dense and metallic under the basin, weighing about 2.18 quintillion kilograms. That's equivalent to a pile of metal 5 times larger than the big island of Hawaii. So what is this mysterious mass? And how did it get there? There are several possible explanations, but none of them are conclusive. One theory is that it is part of the original impactor that created the basin, and that it somehow survived the collision and sank into the moon's mantle. Another theory is that it is a concentration of metal oxides, such as iron and titanium, that were melted and separated from the lunar crust by the intense heat of the impact. A third theory is that it is a result of ancient volcanic activity on the moon, and that it represents a huge reservoir of magma that cooled and solidified under the surface. And a fourth theory is that it is something completely different and unknown, perhaps related to the moon's origin or evolution. Whatever it is, this metal blob has important implications for our understanding of the moon and its history. It could help us learn more about how the moon formed, how it evolved over time, and how it interacts with Earth. It could also reveal new clues about the composition and structure of the lunar interior, which is still largely mysterious. To find out more, scientists will need to send more probes and rovers to explore the moon's far side, especially the South Pole-Aitken basin. They will also need to analyze more data from existing missions, and use advanced techniques such as seismic tomography to map out the subsurface features of the moon. The metal blob behind the moon is one of the many mysteries that make our natural satellite so fascinating and captivating. It reminds us that there is still so much to discover and learn about our closest neighbor in space. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for watching Curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.